what's up guys? This is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio. Today I have here a model kit from Bandai which came from the mecha anime mobile suit G Gundam, or the future century mobile fighter G Gundam. So this is one of the best series that I enjoyed watching when I was still in my elementary years, and I wonder why Bandai don't do 2.0 of the kits that this mecha anime offer, because to be honest, I really like the G Gundam series and its mobile suits. So I can't wait that Bandai will offer us the master grades of other kits. That's why I bought this high grade here, which is the Rising Gundam that is piloted by Rei Nakamura, the fiancée or wife of Domon Kashi. And to be honest, Rei Nakamura is one of my crushes in the Gundam series, because she's a nice character and a beautiful lady, or a beautiful leading lady. So I bought this Rising Gundam from Shopee Philippines, which came from a Thailand store or Thailand shop, and it's nicely packed and I received it quickly. So let's check this kit out, this Rising Gundam high grade from G Gundam series by Bandai. So the box art here has the vibe of the 90s kits, and this is a re-released by Bandai Namco, and there's this blue Bandai logo already. So this is a new plastic release, but still it has the vibe of the 90s era. So we can see here the beautiful G Gundam logo, and there we can see the traditional cover or box art which I saw during my childhood whenever I go to the toy stores, and still the same. We can see here the G or the Rising Gundam, and it says here the Neo-Japanese mobile fighter. In the story, it is the reconstructed Shining Gundam, and it's being piloted by Rei Nakamura. So this is one of I like from the old model kits during 90s. There is this fictional specs for the machine or for the mobile suit, and it's nice to know these features here. We can see here the weaponries, the weight, the height, and of course the HG brand of this kit. Even though it's an HG brand or line, the height of this or the scale of this kit is 1/100 scale. So the side of the box, we can see here the front view and rear view of Rising Gundam, and there the next feature or the next model kit that you need to buy is this HG God Gundam. So for me, it's not necessary to buy this because there's already the the master grade 1/100 and even the high resolution of this. So for the Gundam G fans, you can buy those from the Gundam G lines. And there we can see some action poses with the weapons of this Rising Gundam. We have here the spear or the Naginata, and I don't remember this Rising Gundam having a pistol from the anime, but still it's best that high grade kits back then during 90s has a bonus armaments for their high grade models. So there we have here a pistol, or it's like an Uzi gun, and we have here the bow. So this is as far as I remember, this is the only kit that has ranged weapons aside from the Neo England John Bull Gundam, which has a sniper rifle. But this one, it has arrow and the pistol or the Uzi. Then the shoulder armor can be transformed into a shield, and you need to attach the shoulder armor to the bow, to this bow weapon here, to make it as a shield. And there we have this some gimmicks on the model. So if we open the box here, we can see the packs. Of course, this is not a master grade, so this will be a quick build for us. So we have here multicolored runners, and I'm very fascinated with this runner here, because this is my first time to see a high grade kit with mix colored pieces already. So we can see the torso having 3 colors, or 3 separated colors already, with this blue, red, and yellow. Also the core fighter here, we have blue, yellow, and red. And there, the upper back, we have the red and the blue color here. It's very nice. This is my first time to see a high grade with a mix separated parts already in one piece. Then we got this white colored runners here for the armor pieces, and we have a hefty sticker sheets here, foil stickers for the shoulder armor. And this one, I wonder why Bandai didn't make a color separated gold piece or yellow already. They became lazy. They became lazy. Instead of doing that, they choose sticker to be applied. Then we got blue parts here. So I'm just frustrated that the pistol or the Uzi is in blue color instead of gray. So this looks garbage. This looks toyish. Why just don't make it gray like this? It's much better instead of this kind of color. Then we got here blue parts for the armor pieces. And we got generic beam saber parts here. We have sword or green beam saber that even the handles are in clear green. So this is a lazy part of Bandai. And finally, we got white parts and gray polycaps. So this is rampant during the 90s. So we have here the instruction manual, and I'm very glad that the instruction manual is being stapled like this. So we got here Rising Gundam 1/100 scale high grade, and there we can see some storyline, but it's written in Japanese. So the Rising Gundam is fighting with the Master Gundam of Neo Hong Kong. And there we have the anime or manga depiction of the model. So the parts here are all, or the manual here are all black and white colored. And in the center fold, we have the color printout. We can see here Rain Nakamura and some action poses of the Rising Gundam, which is very nice. I really like the appearance of this model kit. And there, it's an easy build. To be honest, I can finish this within an hour. But for the sticker placement, maybe I will get a hard time on applying this because I have shaky hands whenever I apply stickers. There it is. It's very simple, very quick to build. Okay, before we build the kit, as usual, let's have a quick runner review. And I want to start here with the runner A, with this multicolored runners. To be honest, I'm very impressed with this runner because this is my first time to see a parts or runner with parts that has multicolored already. So we have here the yellow, or this is actually a golden orange or shiny orange colored runner, which is being combined with the red piece here and the blue piece there. And the core fighter has the same features or characteristic. We have already the combined yellow, red, and blue parts there. There's a very nice color separation happening on these parts. And even the chin of the Rising Gundam, we can see that the blue part there for the chin is already attached to the white colored face here. The vents for the core fighter is already mixed with yellow vents and white covering there. The V-fins, or the V-fin here, has a very nice color scheme, which is of course same with this golden orange, something yellow, something like that. So I'm very impressed with this kind of color separation and runner appearance. Then let's go to the blue parts. We got this blue parts with this naginata included here. So I'm very amazed that the gate for this runner is not within the blade. So the blade is free from knobs and get a kind of clean appearance if you are going to cut this thing here. So the blade will be free from knobs. We got the pistol. This is just the turn off here. The pistol should be gray for me instead of this kind of blue, which looks so toyish. And another blue here for the armor pieces on the legs, and this one for the shoulders. But the turn off here is we're going to apply this sticker on these parts. So I'm not that convinced with this kind of design. Then the gray parts here are for the hands, hands with articulated finger, and the waist, and some joints there. We got polycaps, tons of polycaps, and got this generic beam sabers here. We have the clear green long beam sabers, and this short beam saber here. I be honest, I don't like applying this because this looks so toyish. This looks garbage, to be honest. And there we got the green piece for the eyes and the Corlander pod and the crest here, the green crest. And the rest are all white parts. We have this for the shoulder armor, for the shoulder piece, and for the these are all for the shoulders, and this for the shoulder shield, something like that. So there, it's all white. Then this one for the flaps or the side skirts, for the arms, the head, the face. So we got two kinds of face here. This one, the closed facial expression here, something like that. Then these are for the leg parts, and mostly for the leg parts, with nicely designed. The plastic smooth, and to be honest, the plastic seems to be thick compared to the Katoki versions, which has a brittle vibe. But this one is it's very hard. Even the runner is very hard. And finally, we got stickers, color correcting stickers for mostly the shoulder. This will be used in the shoulder, and for the eyes, and this one for the again for the shoulder as the gold plating underneath. So again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying thank you very much for watching this unboxing, and I hope you enjoyed the unboxing of this. And it's up to you if you want to buy this kit, but for me, I can recommend this to you. This is a nice kit, 90s vibes, and if you're a fan of Gundam, Gundam series, buy this, get this, promise you'll not be disappointed, except for the hand pistol. Okay, see you next time. Till then, goodbye, God bless, take care, auf Wiedersehen, masalama, paalam sa inyong lahat.